Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this electric toilet brush from Sakaki. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in getting this electric toilet brush, and I can tell you some really good things that you need to know about it. But first, I do want to thank Sakaki for actually sending me this product to review. So what you have here is an electric toilet brush, and how it works is that it has this attachable head, and then it is rechargeable. So it is rechargeable via USB-C down over here. Now you have two different type of heads. You have the brush head, and then you have the disposable sponge heads, which are down over here. So you get 5 included with it. So with these disposable brush heads, sponge heads, you could actually place it within its holding container right over there and close it up. Now, as far as the actual electric toilet brush holder goes, you can also mount this to the wall, or you can just have it freestanding just like that. Now, with the electric brush, how it works is that you press the button, and it is going to turn it on. And this is going to make it easy so that you don't have to actually scrub as hard onto the toilet. So it's got 2 different spin modes. It has a regular mode and then a high spin mode as well. So what I really love about it is that you are able to charge it. The second thing is that it has a one press unlock mechanism. So if you press this, it's going to detach the head. And for me, because I'm able to detach the head, I'm going to be able to wash it within the sink thoroughly instead of, having to take the entire wand with me. So for me, this is basically a multi-use brush as well. It is made for the toilet, but I can imagine using this for the corners of the shower, just as long as you make sure that you wash the actual top of the head as well. That's me, but it's more so up to you as far as how you decide to use it. And then once you're done using it, all you've got to do is just lay it like that, and there you have it. But really pleased with it overall. I can't wait to use it. I mean, just for the aspect in which it is rechargeable and it's able to detach the actual head so that I can wash it. It'll be a really neat way to actually go ahead and clean my toilets, but do check it out for yourselves.